Alright, here's the mini excavator I just rented for the weekend. $344. You can put 8 hours on it. Gotta have it back at 10 a.m. Monday. And you can get them as early as 1 o'clock on Friday. Is the way our local dealer does it. See what we can get done with it. So first things first, I've got to clean up this old fire pit. Take all the stuff out that's not burnt, put it to the side, dig a big trench, bury everything that's in there, touch it all up, put the wood back. Okay, I got everything separated out, so all the junk in the middle, I got it pushed up pretty good. All that gets buried, a bunch of old metal and bottles and stuff like that. This is all burnable, so when I'm done, it'll go back in. So now I gotta dig a trench and get that stuff buried. All right, got the hole dug. It may look too big in the video, I'm not sure, but the thing is once I get all that stuff over in the hole, I'll push it down the best I can. But then all this other stuff, I got to take like 6-8 inches of all this soil and push in there too. And that's going to be quite a bit when you look at how big this is. So I want it as clean as possible once I get done. So, and I got most of my clay on this side of it, and then that topsoil's down more on this end and a little bit on the bottom. So I'll take that into consideration when I'm putting all this back. So we want the topsoil on top so grass will grow better. This right here it's got some glass in it, stuff like that. So it's gonna go in first and kind of go around all that stuff. That'll be the first stuff that goes in. I'll try to get a little video. Okay, I got pretty much everything buried, and this is what the hole looks like now. Still got a little bit of room. Got everything pushed off in it. So now it's got to spread that dirt around the edges, build up some berms all the way around it, and put that all back in, and we're done. Here's what we ended up with. A hole. I'd say we can have some pretty good sized fires in there. This is just a catch-all for brush, big and small. So got plenty of room. You can let it build up a lot before you have to burn it down.